strategies for overcoming imposter syndrome. As a hypnotherapist and life coach for business, I have encountered many clients who experience imposter syndrome. This phenomenon is characterized by persistent feelings of inadequacy, self-doubt, and the belief that one's accomplishments are due to luck or some external factor rather than personal ability. These feelings can be overwhelming and interfere with a person's ability to enjoy their achievements and take on new challenges. To understand imposter syndrome, it is helpful to consider the work of Hans Selye, a prominent psychologist who studied stress and its effects on the body. Selye proposed the concept of the general adaptation syndrome, which describes the physiological stress response. According to Selye, when a person is exposed to a stressor, their body undergoes 3 stages: alarm, resistance, and exhaustion. Applying Selye's model to imposter syndrome, we can see that the stressor is the feeling of being an imposter or fraud. The alarm stage is characterized by the initial feelings of self-doubt and inadequacy accompanying these thoughts. The resistance stage is when the individual may attempt to prove their worth, overworking themselves and potentially experiencing burnout. The exhaustion stage is marked by a loss of motivation and a sense of hopelessness, which can lead to a lack of engagement and decreased productivity. I have spent years studying the complex workings of the human mind. One of the most significant challenges we face as individuals is managing stress. It is an integral part of our evolutionary heritage, helping us to respond quickly and effectively to danger. However, when stress becomes chronic, it can significantly affect our physical and mental health. Stress is a physiological response that can trigger physiological changes, such as increased heart rate, blood pressure, and rapid breathing. These changes are designed to help us respond to the threat by either fighting or fleeing. The problem with chronic stress is that it keeps our bodies in a constant state of alert. When we are under pressure for prolonged periods, our bodies do not have the opportunity to return to a state of rest and recovery. This can lead to various physical health problems, such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and weakened immune system function. In addition to physical health problems, chronic stress can significantly affect our mental health. When stressed, we may experience various emotional and psychological symptoms, such as anxiety, depression, and irritability. Chronic stress can also lead to problems with memory, concentration, and decision-making. So, how can we healthily manage stress? The first step is recognizing the signs of stress in our bodies and minds. When we are under pressure, our bodies signal that something is incorrect. These signals can include physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, and emotional symptoms such as anxiety, irritability, and mood swings. Once we have recognized the signs of stress, we can begin to take steps to manage it. One of the most effective ways to manage stress is through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga. These techniques have been shown to lower levels of cortisol and other stress hormones and can help to promote feelings of calm and relaxation. Another critical strategy for managing stress is to engage in regular physical activity. Exercise is a powerful stress buster, helping release endorphins and promoting well-being and happiness. Exercise also helps to promote a healthy immune system, which can help to protect us from the adverse effects of chronic stress. In addition to relaxation techniques and exercise, managing our overall lifestyle is essential. This can include eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding unhealthy coping mechanisms such as smoking, drinking, or using drugs. It is also essential to seek support from others when we are under stress. Talking to friends, family members, or a therapist can help us to process our feelings and emotions healthily. By sharing our experiences with others, we can gain perspective on our problems and find solutions that work for us. In conclusion, stress is a natural part of the human experience. However, when stress becomes chronic, it can significantly affect our physical and mental health. By recognizing the signs of stress, engaging in relaxation techniques and exercise, and managing our overall lifestyle, we can take steps to manage stress healthily. It is also essential to seek support from others when we are under stress. With the right tools and strategies, we can learn to manage stress in a way that promotes our overall well-being and happiness.